Welcome back, guys. Today we're talking lucky stops. Go to www.luckystops.com and get you some new stops for your bow. Alright. My stops on my bow are wearing out, so I was in the market for some new stops. I looked online and I found this company called Lucky Stops. And so yeah, I'm going to show you how to install these stops. This is the Lucky Stop, okay? And it has 4 different sides to their stop, and you can play around with the different sides, and each, see those dots? Each dot represents the different sides, okay? So the number 1 is factory setting, so that's where we're going to set my bow today, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm a 29-inch draw length, okay? So here's my old stop, okay? You see how wore out that is? Yeah, that's all beat up. So I'm a 29-inch draw length, so this stop was in here, you know, it was screwed in there, okay? And it was screwed in on the 29, all right? You see that right there? 29, okay? So you just want to unscrew that, okay? And then take that out. Get the new Lucky Stop, and I'm doing standard settings, so I'm going to put the 1 dot up, okay? And I'm going to put the screw in it that Lucky sends, and I'm going to screw it in on the 29 because I'm a 29-inch draw length, okay? This is a bowtech Realm SS. If you go to luckystops.com, they got all kinds of stops for your bow. All right, so these stops might not work for your bow because you might have a different bow out there. But if you go on their website or if you call these guys, they'll point you in the right direction on what stop that they make or recommend for your bow. They have some good tutorials online. I'm not sponsored by Lucky at all, but I did my research before I, bought these stops because like I said, mine wore out, so I needed some anyways. And so yeah, so we're setting it up to the factory here. Okay, they send this instruction card, and it's good, has good instructions on how to set this up. So you put your stop in there, and you want to get it a little bit snug, not tight, just snug to where you can move it with your finger like that, you see? But there's still some resistance there, okay? Because we're going to line this up. See, Lucky says that's how you do it, so that's how we're going to do it, okay? You put the card in this groove right here. See this silver piece? There's a groove down in there. We're going to put that card down in there, and we're going to use this card as a straight edge, and hopefully Lucky cut this straight. Alright, but we're just going to trust it that it's straight today, okay? And if not, if you don't trust that, then you can always get a you can always get a ruler here. Okay, so this is a bow square that I'm using. Alright, so I'm putting that in the groove, and I got this snug, and look at that. I just eyeballed it, and it's like perfect. My big ass head's probably in the way, sorry. But look at that. That's pretty perfect. So I'm going to tighten it up right there, okay? I'm going to tighten it up, making sure that cam doesn't move, or that stop. Boom. Okay. You can put some Loctite on there. Lucky says that you can do that. So if you got any blue Loctite, you can put some on there if it make you feel better. So that's how you install the new Lucky stops. If you're in the market for some new stops, check these guys out. www.luckystops.com, and hit that like and subscribe button for me. I really appreciate it. Peace.